welcome to a Brasch Environmental Technologies tutorial video. Today, I will be showing you how to install a calibration kit for our standalone GSE detectors. This particular model is a GSE NCM LL1, but the process is the same for all GSE standalone units. To determine when your detector needs to be calibrated, look at the label in the upper right corner of the detector. There, you will find the manufacturing date and the recalibration date. We recommend recalibrating your detector once every 2 years for best results. When you order a recalibration kit, you will receive a box that looks something like this. Inside, the first thing you will see is your installation instructions and service notice. These detail everything I will walk through in today's video. Beneath those, you will find your factory calibrated sensor board or boards and a new front panel label with the updated recalibration date. Before you begin, remove all detector power sources to ensure that both you and the detector are safe during this process. Once power is disconnected, remove the 6 screws on the front of the detector. Then remove the front cover. With the front cover off, remove the 4 screws securing the aluminum plate to the enclosure. Then you can remove the entire assembly from its housing. At this time, you may want to loosen the screws on the control board. This step is not necessary, but it will make installation in the next step easier. Tilt the assembly on its side and remove the sensor board cable from the control board. Next, flip the unit over. Be careful not to scratch the display or bend the button and LEDs. Then remove the 4 screws on the sensor board. Take the new sensor board from the calibration kit and replace the existing sensor board. The old sensor board may be discarded. Now we can begin to reassemble the detector. Start by returning the 4 screws on the sensor board. Then flip the unit on its side and plug the cable back into the control board. If you loosened or removed the control board screws earlier, you can return them now. If your unit has multiple sensor boards like this unit, repeat the previous steps on the other side. The process is exactly the same, just mirrored. To save time, I will install the second board off camera. With both sensor boards installed and the main assembly together, we can put everything back into the enclosure. Then return the 4 screws to the aluminum support plate. Before placing the cover back on, check to make sure that the button and all of the LEDs are upright and aligned with the cover holes. Finally, tighten the 6 screws in the cover. With the detector now fully assembled, you may restore all power sources. The green LED should illuminate, and the display should show a decimal point. The detector is now in its warm-up phase. If you would like to verify that everything is connected properly, press the button to initiate self-test mode. In approximately 5 minutes, the detector will resume normal operation. This is a good opportunity to replace the front panel label. Now the detector is recalibrated and ready to use. For more information, please visit our website, www.braschenvtech.com. Email us, customerservice@braschenvtech.com, or call us at 314-291-0440. Thank you for watching this edition of our Brasch Educational Series.